Now, how do I generate barcode for my products? If you have a shop, you know that Saletick can actually help you generate barcode for some of the products that doesn't have barcode with them. And this helps you to check out very fast. Instead of typing, you can just use your external external barcode scanner rather, and scan a barcode, and then the product pops up or gets added to your cart automatically. Celtic does this. So let's look at how we can actually generate barcode in the app. Now, if you watch my screen, if I go to barcode catalog, you can see that I don't have any barcode here yet, right? So if I go back and go to add products, so when I'm adding a product to my inventory, that is when I generate a barcode. So if I go to products and I go to add products, if I scroll down, there is this option, barcode option, and it says it's optional, right? At the bottom of the screen, that's the last thing that you're seeing right here in this screen. So I'm seeing barcode optional. So if the product has a barcode, I can just scan it. Or if it doesn't have a barcode, I can just click on this auto generate to generate barcode for that product. Now, when I generate barcode for this product, if I go back to this barcode catalog here, it's going to appear here. So let's try it. But this time around, even a product that I have already added to your inventory can still generate barcode for it. So let's find a product, maybe this particular product. Let me try and edit this product. I can decide to go down to barcode and click on auto generate, right? I click on next, next, next. Now I will updated this product successfully. If I go to this barcode catalog, you can see that I have one particular barcode there, right? So I can now from here proceed to print this barcode and then paste it on that product. This is how Saletick helps you to generate barcode for your products in your business.